We started this install by getting the solar panel out of the way. We then lashed the wind vane to the stern pulpit in order to get everything aligned exactly where we wanted it. After drilling the 4 holes to mount the wind vane, I realized I wanted a backing plate on the inside. The easiest way to do that was to cut through the cockpit to get to the interior. South Atlantic didn't recommend a backing plate, but it seemed prudent to us. With the access hatch installed, we're able to access the back of where the bolts were going. We used 3/4 inch marine grade ply and fiberglass that in. Once we began the install, I drilled an oversized hole in all 4 spots the wind vane would mount, and then I filled it in with epoxy and let it cure, and then I drilled the actual size holes that we needed into that epoxy. We probably didn't have to do that since our transom's solid fiberglass, but I didn't want any water seepage to rot out our backing plate from the inside out. After a frustrating hour of trying to get it dialed in, I realized that I had the pendulum on the wind vane itself facing the wrong way. Once I fixed that, it seemed to work quite a bit better. Stay tuned. In our next video, we'll review the South Atlantic S440 wind vane steering. We ended up sailing from Panama City to Clearwater, then Clearwater up the entire east coast to Maine, logging about 2,500 nautical miles on the wind vane. So we'll give you kind of some insights on what we liked, what we didn't like, what we think we could do better, or how we think the unit itself could improve.